Lately, I met a lovely woman in her 60s. Her skin had become noticeably dull, with dark spots deeply set along her cheeks. She gave a bittersweet smile and said, "I don't know if it's age or because I didn't take care of myself properly. But when I look in the mirror, I hardly recognize myself anymore." That really touched me, because honestly, there are simple, inexpensive, and highly effective ways to care for our skin. It's just that many people haven't heard of them yet. I've received many questions like, is there a safe, natural way to brighten and nourish the skin? I'm scared of sun exposure and fake skincare products. The truth is, yes, there is. And surprisingly, the solution might already be sitting right there in your own kitchen. No expensive creams, no harsh chemical peels, no need to go to a spa. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a simple skincare mask using banana and carrot. These may sound ordinary, but when used the right way, they create a surprisingly powerful combination that helps the skin feel smoother, look brighter, and stay gentle enough for sensitive or mature skin. I specialize in natural wellness, especially safe and practical ways to care for your skin that fit into your daily life. I truly believe that when we understand our skin, we start to appreciate the simplest things. So please stay with me until the end of the video. I'll explain the benefits, how to make it, the right amount, and what to avoid when using this mask at home. If you find this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment and share your experience. It really motivates me to keep going. And don't forget to subscribe, so I can keep sending you the most trustworthy and easy to apply tips every day. Wishing you good health and glowing skin, the natural way. Dear friends, our skin is more than just a protective layer, it's a reflection of our inner health. When we're young, our skin stays plump and smooth thanks to natural moisture and collagen levels. But after age 40, the aging process speeds up, skin loses elasticity, collagen breaks down, oil production slows, and the result is dryness, dullness, and fine lines. And it's not just age, the sun, wind, pollution, and hormonal changes also make the skin more sensitive, more prone to damage, and slower to heal. That's why, even with a good diet and enough rest, skin can still look tired if not cared for properly. But here's the good news. Your skin can regenerate at any age, if you support it gently and consistently. One of the safest ways is using natural ingredients that nourish the skin without overwhelming it with chemicals. Now let's dive into the main part, the simple but effective mask recipe. First, take half a ripe banana, not too mushy, but not green either. Bananas are rich in potassium, vitamin B6, and especially natural vitamin C. These nutrients moisturize the skin, calm dry or irritated areas, and gently brighten and soften the surface. It's also very gentle, making it ideal for sensitive skin, especially in middle age when the skin gets thinner and drier. Next, add 1 spoonful of steamed carrot, mashed well for easy mixing. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, the precursor to vitamin A, which helps regenerate skin cells, fade dark spots, even out tone, and protect against sun damage. Steaming the carrot makes it easier for the skin to absorb and tones down any harshness that raw carrot might cause. If you have it on hand, add 1 spoon of plain, unsweetened yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, a natural AHA that gently exfoliates, clears pores, and retains skin moisture. It also supports good bacteria on the skin, keeping it stronger from the inside out. When you mix these 3 ingredients together, you get a smooth, easy-to-apply paste that delivers a balanced nutrient boost. It hydrates, brightens, and soothes all at once. I like to call it a light meal for your skin, complete with nourishment, repair, and protection. It's very easy to make. Mash the banana and steamed carrot, mix in the yogurt, and stir well. After washing your face with warm water to open the pores, apply the mixture evenly, avoiding the eye area, which is more delicate. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Your skin will feel refreshed, calm, and noticeably softer. Anyone can use this mask, especially those with dry, dull, or tired-looking skin due to lack of moisture. But if you're dealing with active acne or open wounds, it's best to wait until the skin heals to avoid irritation. Taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated. What matters most is understanding what your skin needs, and being consistent with small steps every day. Sometimes the simplest ingredients, when used properly, offer longer-lasting and safer results than any expensive cosmetic. And here's something many people forget. Your skin only truly glows when it's nourished from both the outside and the inside. Masks are great, but if your body lacks the nutrients it needs, your skin may still become dry, dull, and age prematurely. Every meal we choose, even a humble sweet potato or a slice of pumpkin, leaves a trace on our skin. What we feed ourselves today quietly shapes our skin's structure, its moisture, elasticity, and ability to renew overnight. I always recommend orange and red vegetables, not just for their bright color, but because they're full of valuable nutrients that support healthy skin, especially for those over 40. Take carrots, for example, one of the richest sources of beta-carotene, which the body turns into vitamin A. It protects the skin from sun damage, promotes new cell growth, and fades dark spots. Carrots also have vitamin C, which helps produce collagen, keeping skin firm and elastic. Next is pumpkin, a kitchen staple that's surprisingly rich in vitamin E, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients moisturize, calm dry or itchy areas, and boost the skin's defense against environmental stress. Pumpkin also helps balance hormones, which is crucial, since many midlife skin issues stem from hormonal imbalance. And don't forget sweet potatoes, a humble root, yet full of anthocyanins and vitamin B6. They offer antioxidant and mild anti-inflammatory effects, helping brighten the skin over time. Sweet potatoes also support digestion and blood sugar balance, both of which are key to healthy, acne-free skin. The common thread among these orange and red veggies is their high antioxidant content, forming a natural shield to protect your skin from time, sun, pollution, and even emotional stress. You don't need a lot, just a moderate, consistent amount each day, and you'll be helping your skin age more gracefully from the inside out. To put it simply, eating well isn't about fighting aging, it's about moving through the years with peace of mind. And your skin is simply the mirror of the care and kindness you've shown yourself each day. Besides vegetables, fruits rich in vitamin C, like oranges, tangerines, guavas, or pineapples, also play a very important role. Not only do they help boost immunity and protect against colds and fatigue, but vitamin C is directly involved in collagen synthesis, an essential protein that helps keep the skin firm, plump, and smooth. When your skin maintains steady collagen levels, wrinkles are less likely to form, and the skin tone becomes more even and radiant over time. Just one glass of banana carrot smoothie a day, or a plate of fresh fruit after meals, is enough to nourish your skin. No need to force yourself or overcomplicate things. Consistency is key. It's this gentle repetition that truly makes a lasting difference. I often remind my viewers that staying hydrated is essential, but drinking only plain water might not provide enough nourishment. If you can, try adding simple yet skin-friendly drinks like roasted black bean water, warm turmeric water, or lightly brewed guava leaf tea. These help cool the liver, support detoxification, and reduce internal heat, which, in turn, helps your skin glow from within, with fewer breakouts, dark spots, and dullness. And here's something small that many people tend to overlook: sleep. Don't think of sleep as something secondary. In fact, nighttime is when your skin regenerates the most, new skin cells are created, and minor daytime damage is repaired. When you get deep, restful sleep, you'll wake up with smoother skin, a lighter expression, and a naturally refreshed face. You'll feel the difference even without a mirror. Some things may seem simple, But if you practice them daily, eating well, staying hydrated properly, and maintaining a good sleep routine, your skin will not only become more beautiful but also healthier and stronger from the inside out. Because your skin is never separate from your overall health. If you want healthy skin, you first need to love and care for your body from the roots. If you found today's little tip helpful, give it a try in the next few days. You may not see dramatic results overnight, but with every small, steady step, you're gently transforming your skin, and even your confidence. Each time you look in the mirror, glowing skin doesn't have to be complicated, it just needs a gentle beginning. Grounded in simplicity and care. If you've had any experiences after trying this, please share them in the comments. I'd love to listen, understand, and keep bringing you even more thoughtful and helpful insights. And if today's content truly helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Chan Lee Song, so we can stay connected and continue sharing trustworthy, down-to-earth knowledge that fits beautifully into your daily life.